Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve freelance negotiation skills with ZipRecruiter, beginner guide step by step clearly. Improving your freelance negotiation skills is essential for maximizing your income and ensuring fair compensation for your work. Start by conducting thorough research on your market rates. Utilize ZipRecruiter to gather data on what freelancers in your field are charging. Identify the value you bring to potential clients. Make a list of your skills, experiences, and past successes. Present these value points during negotiations. Practice active listening to better understand the client's needs. Ask open-ended questions to gather more information about the project. Be prepared to articulate your unique selling proposition confidently. Establish your minimum acceptable rate before entering negotiations. This ensures you have a baseline and don't undersell yourself. Craft a negotiation script highlighting your key points. Rehearse the script aloud to gain confidence. When you're ready to negotiate, set a positive and collaborative tone. Frame the conversation around finding a solution that benefits both parties. If the client counters your initial offer, respond with flexibility but stay firm on your value. Use data gathered from ZipRecruiter as leverage during the discussion. Don't be afraid to walk away if the terms don't meet your minimum requirements. Follow up with potential clients if you don't reach an agreement. Keep the lines of communication open for future opportunities. Consider joining online communities or forums for freelancers to share experiences and tips. Regularly review and adjust your negotiation strategies based on feedback and outcomes. Take courses or webinars focused on negotiation skills to continue improving. Utilize the resources and tools available on ZipRecruiter to enhance your approach. With consistent practice, your freelance negotiation skills will significantly improve over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.